Soft-spoken with a broken jaw. Step outside but not to brawl. And autumn sweet with call it fall.